and the coefficient of x power minus 7 in ax minus 1 by bx square whole to the power of 11 are equal. Then first option, a plus b is equal to 1. Second option, a minus b is equal to 1. Third option, 1 plus ab is equal to 0. Fourth option, ab is equal to 1. This is the question before you. And you are given just 1.5 minutes, that is 90 seconds only. First of all, what is the coefficient of x power 7 in ax square plus 1 by bx whole power 11? My dear student, look at this coefficient x power 7. In order to get x power 7, you must know the value of r. From your earlier knowledge, for coefficient of x power k, value of r is np minus k by p plus q. Isn't it? Using that
Yes.
technique, np is 22. Minus k is 22 minus k. K is 7 by p plus q. P plus q, 2 plus 1 is 3. 22 minus 7 by 3, 15 by 3 is equal to 5. So, to get the coefficient of x power 7, of course, in this expansion, you must take r is equal to 5. And to get x power minus 7 in this expansion, what would be the value of r? Come on, tell me. And p is 1. 11 ones are 11. 11 minus k. K is minus 7, you know, because you require the coefficient of x power minus 7 by p plus q. What is p plus q? 1 plus 2. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 by 3 is 6. So, the coefficient with r is equal to 5 in this expansion, what is that? 11c5, no, yes, 11c5 a power 11 minus 5 into 1 by b whole to the power of 5 is equal to, well, to have the coefficient of x power minus 7 in this expansion, you must use a value of r as 6. You know, what is that? 11c6 into a power 11 minus 6, that is 5 into minus 1 by b whole to the power of 6. Good. 11c5 and 11c6 can easily be cancelled here. Okay. This is a power 6 by b power 5, you know. So this is a power 5 into a by b power 5. Here, a power 5 into 1 by b power 6 is b power 5 into b. So a power 5 by b power 5 can easily be cancelled on both sides, leaving you ab is equal to 1, isn't it?
Yes.
Therefore, what is the right option here? ab is equal to 1. The fourth option is the right option. Isn't it?
Yes.
My dear students, here you don't see, you just ignore the level of the question, how much time you are spending to answer it. That is very important. In general, in an examination like JEE Mains, for each question, at the most 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes, you must spare. But of course, in the preparation, you must get yourselves ready to answer any question in 1.5 minutes only. Are you able to catch my words?
Yes.
Good. So answer for this question is the fourth option, that is AB is equal to 1. Good. Is it necessary for me explain to you again, once again?
No, sir.
Well done. Let us look at the next question. The approximate value of 0.99 whole to the power of 15 up to 4 places of decimals is up to 4 places of decimals. Is first option 0.8101. Second option, 0.8200. Third option, 0.8501. And fourth option, 0.8600. This is the question. Well, these are all previous mains questions. Okay. Out of all those questions, I am picking out some beautiful, important, and standard models. Okay.
Yes.
Well, how to start with 1.99 whole to the power of 5. Whole to the power of 15 is given. Well, I'm starting to get it simplified. 0.99 whole to the power of 15 is equal to, you can write this as 1 minus 0.01 whole to the power of 15, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Well done. Now, you please recollect the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of n or 1 minus x whole to the power of n. What is 1 minus x whole to the power of n? Come on. This is 1 minus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square minus nc3 into x cube and so on, isn't it? With alternate plus and minus symbols. Well, by making use of this, try to get it expanded. 1 plus nx. What is meant by nc1? Minus 15c1 into 0.01 plus 15c2 into 0.01 whole square minus 15c3 into 0.01 whole cube plus and so on. Leave the remaining matter. Why should you? We are supposed to have the approximate value up to 4 places of decimals only. Here we have 0.01 whole power 1. So 2 places of decimals are going to be obtained. Here 0.01 whole square is there. So we can have at most up to 4 places of decimals. Here 0.01 whole cube is there. See, it will be coming up to 6 places of decimal. Okay, let it come. We'll round it up to get the exact and approximate value. Look here. This is 1 minus, what is 15c1? It is 15 into 0.01. Well done. What is 15c2? You must be able to get it immediately. What is 15c2? 15 into 14 by 2. What is that? What is 15c2?
105.
That's right, isn't it? 105. 105 into 0.01 whole square means 0.0001. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
15c3. What is 15c3? 15 into 14 into 13 by 6. Come on, tell me. You must be able to say quickly as possible. 15 into 14 into 13 by 3 factorial, that is 6. Come on, calculate.
Four five five.
Come on.
455.
455, you mean?
Yes.
415.5 means minus 15c3 into 455. Are you right?
Yes, sir.
Into what is 0.01 whole cube? 0.12345 and so on. Well, if you can simplify that, it becomes 1 minus 0.15 plus 0.0105 minus 0.0005 after getting it rounded up to 4 places of decimals. And the approximate value is, if you can simplify this, you are going to get 0.8600. So option D is the right option. Got it?
Yes, sir.
First of all, immediately after looking at the question, what is the plan of action? In what way should we start? That is to be obtained in your mind, first of all. Okay.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Shall I remove it from the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let us see one more question. If 2n belongs to n and the coefficients of second, third, fourth terms of 1 plus x whole to the power of 2n are in AP, then n is equal to first option 14, second option 7, third option 7 by 2, fourth option none. What is the right option? How to start with? First of all, are you getting any idea?
Yes.
Look, for this, my dear boy, to answer for this, let me bring to your notice one beautiful technique. If NCR minus 1, NCR, NCR plus 1 are in AP, then n minus 2r whole square is equal to n plus 2, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you recollected this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Of course, in the place of n, here you have 2n, 2n minus 2r whole square is equal to 2n plus 2. Which value? By the way, what is r? Second term, third term, and fourth terms. What is the second term coefficient? N2nc1. This is 2nc2. This is 2nc3. So value of r is 2. Okay. 2n minus 4 whole square is equal to, you must be having 2n. Come on. 2 into 14, 18. 18 minus 4 is 14. 14 whole square is equal to n plus 2. Not possible. Sorry, it is 2n plus 2. In the place of, so this formula is n plus 2, but we must be using 2n plus 2. In the place of n, we should use 2n, isn't it? So you check. For 7 by 2, it is well and good. For 7 by 2, it is okay. How? Using this, you reconstruct 2n minus 2r whole square is equal to 2n plus 2. In the place of r, what should you get? NCR minus 1, NCR, NCR plus 1. Second term means coefficient is 2NC1, 2NC2, 2NC3. Middle is 2NC2. R value is 2. Come on. n plus low. If you put 14, 2 1 is 28, 28 minus 4 is 24 whole square, not possible. Next 7, 2 sevens of 14, 14 minus 4 is 10, 10 whole square is 100, not possible. Put 7 by 2, 2 into 7 by 2, 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 whole square is 9, 2 into 7 by 2, 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, excellent, 7 by 2 is satisfied. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Not only that, you must be able to notice the transformation here. You see, this formula is given in terms of n, but in the expansion, we are having 1 plus x whole power 2n, isn't it?
Yes.
Basing on this, you must reconstruct the technique like this. Understood?
Okay.
Very good, very good, very good. Next, one more question. N minus 1 C3 plus n minus 1 C4 is greater than NC3, then the least positive integral value, the least positive integral value of n is here. No options have been given. It is an integer answered type question. How to get it? How to get it? Least positive and integral value. This is the question. This is before you. How to make an attempt? Are you getting the idea?
Yes, sir. LHS we can write as n plus 1c.
No,
N,
not n plus 1.
NC,
NC4 only.
NC4.
You see, this is the needed formula. NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to n plus 1 CR. Am I right?
Yes.
In the place of n, we have n minus 1 here. So for n plus 1, we should have n only. Therefore, given expression is NC4 is greater than NC3, correct?
Yes, sir.
You see, what is the right hand side? Which is bigger, R minus 1 or R is bigger? Like that here, 3, 4, which is bigger? 4 is bigger. So NC4 is greater than NC3. Of course, by using that,
Answer science.
NC4 by NC3 is greater than 1. Again, at this juncture, we have a beautiful formula. What is that? NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus small number by big number. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Answer
Well,
science.
according to that, this is n minus small number is n minus 3 by big number is 4 is greater than 1, which definitely gives us n minus 3 is greater than 4. It does mean that n is greater than 7. Therefore, the least positive integral value, the least positive integral value of n is, come on, how much? 8.
8.
Yes, n is 8. Understood?
Yes.
Next one. Is it understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
No doubt it is a beautiful question. Next, one more. n, m belong to n, and 2 power m is a factor of 3 power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9, then the largest value of n is, here options are given. First option 3, second option 4, third option 6, fourth option 8. The same symbolism he has given. You see, what is the meaning of this symbolism? Perfect vertical symbol. 2 power m is a factor of. You see, if at all you use the symbol like this, then it is a fraction. 2 power m by something means it is a fraction. No, here this is a perfect vertical symbol has been given. What is the absolute meaning of that? 2 power m is a factor of this, or this is divisible by 2 power m. What is the largest value of m, he is asking us. Right. So given expression is 3 power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9. This is equal to, well, my dear children, here you have to think of the necessity. We must be able to get 2 power something as a factor in this expression. 2 power something means 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, like that, etc., etc. Isn't it? Good. Keeping that point in our mind, we have to start 3 power 2n plus 2. We observe 3 square whole power n into 3 square minus 8n minus 9. Any doubt?
No.
What is 3 square? 9. I am writing this as 1 plus 8 whole power n into 9 minus 8n minus 9. Correct?
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir, correct.
Very good. Very good. This is equal to, come on, tell me. This is, come on, expand. 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube and so on, etc. ncn into x power n into 9 minus 8n minus 9. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
9 into 1, 9. 9 minus 9. They go away. Again, NC1 means n. n into 8, 8n. 8n into 9. 8n, this is into 9. 72n minus 8n. What is that? 64n. Are you following me?
Sir, following.
Right. This is 9 times of 8 is 72n. 72 minus n minus 8n is 64n. Plus, my dear, you please observe, in each of the other terms, you can get 8 square as a common factor. Isn't
Yes.
it or not?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? 8 square, 8 cube, 8 power 4, etc. In each of these terms, 8 square, the minimum power of 8 is 2, like that. Come on, tell me. 8 square into an integer, 64 into an integer. From this entire expression, you can get 64 as a common factor into an integer. So, you can imagine this as multiple of 64. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Multiple of 64 means multiple of 2 power 6. success, what we could plan, we have got, isn't it? In this given expression, we must be able to get 2 power something as a factor. What is the factor that you could have achieved? 2 power 6 is the factor. So what is the largest value of m? That 2 power m is a factor that m is equal to 6. Third option is the right option. Are you able to observe?
Yes, sir.
Well, my dear, you must think that, am I able to solve this question or not? That is not the way of thinking. Am I able to make an attempt to answer such questions as and when they are asked? That is the way you have to think of. Are you able to follow my terminology?
Yes, sir.
Good. You see, who told you to write this as 3 square whole power, etc.? 2 power m we want to have. So you should try to get 2 square, there is 4, 2 cube, there is 8, 2 power 4, there is 60, like that. Which is possible to be obtained here. See, if you can write this 3 square is very nearer to 8, you know.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why I could have planned to do like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you could have taken this, I shall skip this and go to deal with another problem.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Very good. One more problem. The integral part of root 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 6 is first option 98, second option 197, third option 196, fourth option 198. This is another beautiful problem, excellent problem, which is a standard problem, which has been asked for so many number of times. Of course, problem of this sort was being asked. Not the same problem again. That is the question. Are you getting the idea?
Yes, sir.
By the way, what is meant by integral part? Say whatever number you have, suppose some 15.26 is that. What is the integral part? If x is this, integral part is of course denoted by this symbol. Some people used to call this step x also. Do you know this?
Yes.
What is step x? 15. By the by, what is the fractional part of x? If you use flower brackets like this is to be read as fractional part of x. And of course, it is clearly 0.26, right?
Yes.
You see, one thing you have to note, fractional part of x is always between 0 and 1. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
By name itself, its life is between 0 and 1. Otherwise, it cannot be called a fraction, you know.
Yes.
Right. Now, what is the given number? Root 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 6, you know, is equal to x. Say, clearly, x is equal to integral part of x plus fractional part of x. Isn't it?
Yes.
See, for any number, x is equal to step of x plus fractional part. 15 plus 0.28 is nothing but 15.28, clearly x is equal to step of x plus fractional part of x. Well, my dear, what is the main part here, required part? Step x. This is the heroine of the problem. 1 minute. Right. Look here. How to get it done? Let fractional part of x is equal to, say, small f. The best technique is, what is the expansion given here? Root 2 plus 1 whole power 6, Write f dash is equal to root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. Just its conjugate. Is it the standard idea in every problem? Yes, of course. Okay, you just name it. F dash is equal to root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. Clearly, what is root 2? 1.414 and dot. Minus 1 is 0.414 and dot. So it lies between 0 and 1. Isn't it? Implies
Yes.
0 less than f dash less than 1. Here, fractional part of x also lies between 0 and 1. Okay. My dear student, don't ask me why. Consider step of x plus fractional part of x plus f dash. Don't ask me, you just find what is step of x plus fractional part of x, root 2 whole power, root 2 plus 1 whole power 6. Plus what is f dash, root 2 minus 1 whole to the power of 6. And at this juncture, you must remember a plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n. While you are adding such expansions, you will be getting, 2 times of all those terms with the even coefficients only remain, right? What are meant by even coefficient? 6c0 into root 2 whole power 6 plus 6c2 into root 2 whole power 4 plus 6c4 into root 2 whole power. 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 6c6 into root 2 whole power 0. That's it. These are the only things that which remain. Okay, and if you can simplify this, this is 2 times of, this is root 2 whole power 6 is 8. Next one is, this is 15, this is 4. Altogether, this is 60 and 64 is 15. 15 into 2 is 30 plus 1 is equal to, total, it is, 198. Okay, good.
Yes.
We just want to have this only, isn't it? Here,
Yes, sir.
if you add these two, 0 plus 0, 0, less than f plus f dash, less than 2. You see, f plus f dash is an integer lying between 0 and 2. What is the integer lying between 0 and 2? It is 1 only. F plus f dash is 1. So, this is 1. Hence, step of x is therefore 198 minus 1 is nothing but 197. Is the option given? Yes, of course. You must ask me a question here. Sir, who told you that f plus f dash is an integer? Hello, this is f, this is f dash. Step of x is surely an integer. Integer plus something, answer is an integer. Surely this must also be an integer, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why we used to say f plus f dash is 1. Hence, step of x or integral part of x, which is the main question, main thing which is wanted here is 197. Are you able to follow?
Sure.
Undoubtedly, it is a good question. Understood?
Done.
Right. Well, my dear, we meet again in the tomorrow's session, okay?
Okay.
This will be a continuous session, no problem.
Yes.
Bye. Have a nice time.
Thank you.
Use the time properly in favor of mathematics. It is one of the most divine subjects on the earth. We should feel proud of ourselves because we are students of mathematics. Bye.